Let's make the viral TikTok baked potato but better. So I wasn't too fond of the original SPUDMAN or jacket potato. It just seemed like it was missing some spice or seasoning. So I thought let's add a bit of a Pakistani twist to it. Let's bake a russet potato at 400 for about an hour. In a saucepan add ghee, onions, green Thai chili peppers, these tomato beans along with salt, chili powder, cumin seeds, black caraway seeds, sesame seeds, and lemon juice. Cook on medium heat until it looks like this. Split open your potato, add some butter, season with salt and pepper, mix well and top it off with mozzarella cheese, your spiced beans, and garnish with pickled veggies. I have onions, cucumbers, cilantro, and radish. And so this is basically everything you would put in chole or chane, minus the chickpeas, and you're just replacing that with the beans. Ooh, okay, that pickled veggies on top make it. It just cuts through all that richness because the cheese is already so fatty. You got the butter and the potatoes, so you need something pickled on top. That really works. And the spices just make everything taste so much better. Oh, that's proper. I'm giving this maybe a 8.4 out of 10. It's pretty good.